Azumi. I am from Osaka, Japan. Japan is a beautiful country in the east. It's also called Nihon or Nippon, which means the country of the rising sun. Japanese people really love food. Did you know that Japan has the most number of Michelin 3-star restaurants in the world? Yay! We cook really good food. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very famous Japanese food called Tamagoyaki. Many Japanese people say that if they're allowed to have one last meal, that'll be Tamagoyaki. Tamagoyaki literally means grilled egg. I'm going to show you how to make tamagoyaki in 3 different ways. The traditional way. For this, you will need tamagoyaki pan. The fusion way. This one, you still need the tamagoyaki pan. And making it with the regular pan. So let's start with the traditional way. For the traditional way, you will need salt, sugar, olive oil, and 3 eggs. And add a little salt and a little bit of sugar. And beat the egg. That's good. Put some oil in the pan. And pour some egg. Now you can start rolling. Don't worry if it doesn't look good, it's gonna look better at the end. Pour some eggs for the second time. Make sure you lift these eggs a little bit. And now you roll. And pour all the eggs. This is the last roll. Now you can roll it. It's done. Now it's ready. I put it on a plate. Now I'm going to cut it. If you want, you can put soy sauce, but I like to have it as it is. Looks good. Now it's ready. Let's see how it tastes.
Yeah.
Oh. That means delicious in Japanese. For the future one, you will need salt, sugar, olive oil, 3 eggs, cheese, tobiko, and Japanese mayo are optional. We only use them for decoration. For the future one, you just need 3 eggs, a little bit of sugar and salt, and beat it. And pour some eggs. Now I put a cheese on top of it. And it's gonna melt. Now we roll it. Cheese again and roll. And the last roll. So we already have two cheeses, two slices of cheeses, so I don't think we need it anymore. Make sure the egg is hard enough so that you can roll it easier. Okay, I think we're ready. Roll! Okay, now we are done. Now I'm going to decorate Tamagoyaki with tobiko. It looks very cute with these little dots on it. Japanese mayo. Looks cute. And making it with the regular pan. For this one, you will need salt, sugar, olive oil, 3 eggs, and asparagus. Let's get started. For this version, let's start with chopping the asparagus. You can snap the bottom part like this because this is hard. Snap it. So I'm going to use 8-inch pan, so I'm going to cut the asparagus smaller into pieces. Now we're going to microwave them until they're cooked. I microwaved this for 2 minutes. Now I'm going to use 8-inch ceramic pan. If you don't have the Japanese Tamagoyaki pan, you can still use the regular round pan. I'm gonna put some oil. So I beat 3 eggs and pour some egg and put asparagus in line. Remember, we're going to roll it later, so that's why I put the asparagus this way. Okay, let's try it. If it doesn't look good, don't worry, we're gonna make it fix. And pour more. And a bit more asparagus. And roll. For the wrap roll. And put the asparagus again. Okay, now we can try to roll. for the last time. Oh. Okay, now it's done. I'm going to cut it and let's see how it looks inside. So I cut them into pieces. This is how it looks inside. So Japanese people normally have this for breakfast or put them into the lunchbox so the kids have for their lunch. If you like this video, click on the like button. If you made this recipe, click on the I made it button and add your pictures. I want to see how you made your tamagoyaki. If you fail a few times, don't give up. You can do this. If you like me and recipes that I make, follow me on kala.com to see other recipes I'll make in the future. Until next time.